One of the first places that I experienced the underwater world was in the Dominican Republic. The Caribbean is well known for its very clear waters, its vibrant marine life, and it's a great place to book your next diving trip. Hi all of you awesome scuba divers out there, welcome to the Scuba Diver Magazine channel, your favourite place for the latest scuba diving news and gear reviews. Yes, today we are checking out the Dominican Republic as a place to go scuba diving, and I was just thinking back over my career and my first proper experience with the underwater world, where you could actually get some kind of visibility, was in the Dominican Republic. I don't think I was actually qualified at that point. I was just kind of snorkeling, but I do remember spending just days snorkeling around the reef. So I was going to break down some of the details about the country itself and the diving in that corner of the world. The Dominican Republic occupies the eastern two-thirds of the island of Hispaniola, nestled within the Greater Antilles archipelago of the Caribbean Sea. This places it between Puerto Rico in the east and Cuba towards the northwest, with Haiti sharing the island's western portion. It's kind of split in two, with the majority of it going to the Dominican Republic. The Republic has a tropical maritime climate characterized by warm temperatures all year round. While there aren't traditional four seasons, the seasons are defined by variations in rainfall. So you get the dry season, which typically spans from December until April, offering sun-drenched days and lower humidity, making it a very popular time for tourism. Conversely, the wet season runs from May to November, and that brings increased rainfall. It's not constant rainfall, but particularly in the northern regions, you'll just get this kind of rainfall at certain times of the day. Temperatures remain relatively consistent throughout the year, averaging around 26 degrees Celsius. Coastal areas maintain warm temperatures with mild sea waters, ideal for swimming and water activities, which is why we're primarily interested in the place. This diversity in climates, coupled with its varied topography, ranging from lush rainforest to arid plains, contributes to the Dominican Republic's rich biodiversity, and it appeals as a diverse travel destination just for people wanting to go on dry land. But in the coastal waters, consistent water temperatures make it a very desirable destination for scuba diving all year round. Located in the Caribbean Sea, the island enjoys water temperatures that typically range from a nice comfortable 26 to 29 degrees Celsius. It's a very comfortable water temperature. These warmer water temperatures really minimizes the need for thicker wetsuits to just deep or long dives and those who really feel the cold. Most divers are going to opt for just shorties, maybe even just a rash guard for most dives if you're not diving particularly deep or very long. The dry season, like December to April, generally offers the best diving conditions with calmer seas and clearer visibility. However, even during the wet season, like May to November, diving is still very possible, although occasional rainfall may temporarily affect the visibility, especially if you're really close to the shore because of the runoff, but you can still go diving in most of the offshore dive sites. The southern coast, particularly around 𝐵𝐵 and Catalina Island, is renowned for its calm, clear waters and just abundant marine life. The northern coast, near Sosúa and Puerto Plata, offers diverse dive sites, including wrecks and coral reefs, so there's something for everyone. Whilst the Atlantic hurricane season, which really peaks around August, October kind of times, it can bring rougher seas and potentially disrupt diving excursions, so do plan accordingly. But most dive operators monitor conditions closely ahead of times. They of course prioritize diver safety, but yeah, it is kind of up to you to really plan around that. Dive sites like the Wall and the Aquarium around Catalina Island are very popular for their vibrant coral reefs. The Caleta Underwater National Park near Santo Domingo has several shipwrecks for you to explore. If you want to see some whales, you might get your chance to see some humpback whales. The whale watching season in the Dominican Republic, primarily around Samana Bay, typically runs from January to March. Humpback whales migrate to these waters to breed and give birth, making it a real prime time for whale watching tours. But if you've ever been to the Dominican Republic and have any recommendations, then let me know down in the comments below. And if you're interested in making the Dominican Republic your next diving destination, then of course check out their tourism link. It'll be up here and there'll be another one down in the description underneath this video. Also check out our website divingnets.com, subscribe to the channel here on YouTube. Thank you for watching everybody, and of course, safe diving.